How to turn off View Profile on TikTok. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok, where you can view the reels that are shared on TikTok. From this page, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're in this page, you need to tap on this footstep icon. Then, you need to tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Then toggle off this option that says Profile View History. Now that you've disabled this option, you can't view the people who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. Your viewers won't be notified of this setting. To see who viewed your profile, you need to turn this option on. So, by following these steps, you can easily turn off View Profile on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.